Hey everyone, my name is Tatiana Alvarez Thomas, and I'm really excited about this course. I've been waiting for this course basically since we started. We did a lot of skills practice courses in my last program, and I've really been missing that in this program. So I'm excited to start this, and I'm ready to go. I can't wait for internship to start. Um, so, three things that I can contribute to this course would be number one, I'm really organized and great at multitasking. And I feel like that's a really important skill to have as a social worker or a professional. A lot of times there's going to be just a lot going on at once, and we have to learn how to prioritize and um, just manage that. I'm a case manager currently in in my job, so I'm really good at doing a lot of things at one time and trying to make sure I do things by importance and all that kind of stuff. So that's a really good skill. Something that can take a lot of time to develop for some people. Another thing is, I guess, my direct care experience. I have worked in various different types of direct care facilities. I worked as a therapeutic support staff with children, everything from behavioral problems to autism to children who suffer from sexual abuse. I also have worked for a provider agency of children youth services for the county. That was another experience. So I have, and right now I work with soldiers who are suffering from addiction and substance abuse. So I have a lot of direct care experience. I have been in a lot of situations that people were not happy, and I had to play a very big part of a role in keeping them calm or redirecting or whatever. So I'm pretty good at handling hard situations. Um, Also, number three, pretty much all of the jobs that I have had in the last 3 years have required me to become very good at quickly building relationships with community partners and professionals throughout the county or my region that I'm covering. I also am lucky to have a lot of licensed social workers in my life. My mother is a licensed social worker and she has her own private practice. So I have a great support system of people who are already out in the field that I'm able to tap into and talk to and interview or whatever. Also, um, I just have a good um, understanding, I think, of this role because my mom and some of her close friends in my family have been in this role. So um, my whole life I've been able to kind of grow up um, watching them become who they are today. So I have a lot of personal and background knowledge on this role and different things, and I can't wait to get out there and be able to put some of this stuff into practice. So um, anyway, I look forward to working with you guys throughout the year and can't wait to get this started.